That's why we developed InCharge X, a tiny, universal, ultra-fast keyring cable. Why universal? InCharge X can charge Apple, micro USB, and USB-C devices from any USB or USB-C power source. Unless you are rocking a Nokia 3310, we most likely got you covered. InCharge X supports charging and data transfer. It also supports OTG, so you can use your phone as a power bank. But it doesn't stop there. InCharge X is extremely powerful. It allows ultra-fast charging up to 100 watts. Designed to last forever, InCharge X is made of an aluminum alloy with military-grade aramid fiber and 200 braided copper wires reinforced with TPU and double-weaving nylon fiber. For an even increased durability, InCharge X has a protective cap. Back us today to get your InCharge X before anyone else, and at the lowest price it will ever be.